Want to put your neighborhood on the map? Literally. Let's dive into how you can enrich Google Maps by adding a missing place or correcting inaccurate information, boosting your local guide status in the process. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone and tap on the Contribute tab at the bottom. You'll see a few options here. Select Add a Place. This is where you'll input details about a brand new location that's not yet on the map. A form will pop up. Start by entering the name of the place accurately, then carefully select the most appropriate category, such as restaurant, store, or park. Next, type in the address. Google Maps will try to auto-suggest as you type. Don't forget to add the hours of operation. Tap on hours, then select each day and the corresponding opening and closing times. Accuracy is key here. Add a phone number and website. If available, the more information you provide, the more helpful your addition will be. You can also add the opening date. Adding photos is a great way to showcase the place. Tap Add Photos and choose relevant pictures from your phone's gallery. Finally, double-check the location pin on the map. If it's not quite right, simply drag the pin to the correct spot. This is crucial for accuracy. To correct existing information, search for the place on Google Maps, scroll down on its page, and tap Suggest and Edit. From here, you can change details like the name, address, hours, or even report that a place is closed or doesn't exist. Once you're satisfied with all the information, tap the Submit button. Google will review your contribution, and if it's approved, you'll earn points towards your local guide status, helping others discover awesome places. So get out there and make your mark on Google Maps.